This is Alan from DXTECH-Global here in Shandong province, China. Right now I'm at the factory. Last time I made a video around 10 minutes to introduce our laser cutting machine, press brake bending machine, and laser welding machine. But I think there's something slightly I need to adjust, so I want to take this opportunity to introduce again. First of all, the machinery behind me, most of them are single table laser cutting machine for cutting metal plates like carbon steel, stainless steel, and aluminum or galvanized steel. And most of these single table laser cutting machines are the basic entry level, around 5 feet by 10 feet cutting table size, which is equivalent to 1.5 meter by 3 meter, or cover the size of the metal plate in the market more than 48 inch by 96 inch, or 4 feet by 8 feet. The power wattage is customized from normally 1.5 kilowatt to 6 kilowatt. And this with industrial control screen and software and system, including soft button with mouse and keyboard over here. And these are the steel tube welding machine body. And this is a cross beam gantry, which is fourth generation machine. Cross beam gantry. This is normally equivalent box with the cutting head, BM10 or BM06. And this is a flexible tube with all the pipes for gas, water chiller, cooling, and laser source inside. And this is a blade supporting cable, which you can do it by yourself after 1 year or some year use, cutting and drawing in software. And this inside is servo motor and the reducers for controlling the moving direction of different axes. This is our slogan of DXTECH, creating the future. And these are the supports underneath the machine body. And these are industrial water chiller, double cooling function for laser cutting head and the laser source. And normally for cutting carbon steel, we don't use oxygen. For cutting stainless steel, aluminum, etc., we need to use nitrogen or air compress. This is integrated machine body with the laser source inside. And after receive the machine, normally you need to onset the control system and the signal wires of the water chiller, and also the signal wires and electricity wires for the machine body with the power cord, and put some water in the chiller and connect the pipes, and then we can start the debugging and testing of the software and the drawing. Control the software and the drawing, and back to origin and calibrate. Then we can start edge bending until we cut the first piece. Okay. And basically this is the laser cutting part. Each month we sell and produce, supply at least 60 sets of the single table laser cutting machine globally. Over there area, some of the customers from North American countries or European countries will prefer the exchange table with protective cover for some higher power, like 12 kilowatts. For frequently cutting, like say 25 millimeters of carbon steel and stainless steel, etc. And also, after the cutting machine, we are going to introduce the bending machine, the press brake bending machine, which is our mostly sold machine together with the cutting machine. This small opportunity to introduce some of the office on the second floor and the first floor. This workshop for more than 13 years history is around 10,000 square meters. Second floor with our production, purchasing, engineer design, mechanical engineer design, and after service office. First floor is our finance department, human resource department, and some conference room. Okay. This is a combined unit with 2-in-1 for cutting metal plates and tube. Maximum customized 6 meters long, or 3 meters can be customized for the pipe to be cut. Round tube, square tube, rectangle, some A profile, angle profile channels cutting, but can't cut edge beam unless you have a professional tube cutting machine. I will introduce you the next time, okay? Now, this area of the press brake bending machine. This is our blade system. You can see these two calipers, and also the punching knife and dies with the segmented, and all of these are the industrial and hydraulic press brake bending machine with compensating function, the stop failure, and the back you can go back, up and down, moving back and forth, turn left and right, and the 2 columns of the oil cylinders are controlled by the proportional proportional valve and the encoders. So it's simultaneously up and down. So it can guarantee efficiency and cutting quality and the bending quality and precision of the bending machine. This is emergency stop button. Okay. So these are the compensation motors. This is a standard and most cost-effective press brake bending machine, which is our DE15. It's our DE15 4+1 axis press brake bending machine. First of all, the total bending working tip is around 3.2 meters. Okay, and also the tonnage is around 125 tons. The tonnage pressure is determined by the maximum bending thickness and efficient length of the materials to be bent. And also, we have the standard quill calipers for the punching knife and also the segmentation and other related functions of the punching knife and dies. Normally, once the customer sends us the bending drawing of the bending workpiece, we can customize the punching knife and dies accordingly. And also, the stop finger can go up and down, moving goes up and down, and moving back and forth. And also, it supports multi-step bending and simulation. Also, I want to show you, because this model is the most sold model of our press brake bending machine, together with the cutting and welding machine. I want to show you where the oil cylinder, proportional valve, and encoder is. See, these are the proportional valve. Okay. The difference between the hydraulic one and the traditional old press brake bending machine like the twist axis is the proportional valve for the hydraulic bending machine, and also the encoder. You can see encoder. Okay, this angle. This encoder. This encoder and the proportional valve on top actually guarantee the bending precision and accuracy of the hydraulic model. Unlike the traditional bending machine with servo motor or no motors, they can't control the precision and bending accuracy like this one. Okay. Also, the quality of the oil cylinders and the punching knife and dies are at different price level. Okay. That's why if the workshop of you with the bending machine requirement only bending some very small thickness and length of metal materials without a complicated multi-step bending, you can choose the traditional one like TP10S or E21, which is enough and cheap, economical and cost effective. Like this one, for some high or more thicker metal thickness bending and multi-step with complicated bending drawing and piece, you can choose this 4+ model. Okay. Also, the control system can be customized like D15, ESA, or Glen and Cyber Touch. Okay. After bending, prior cutting, we go to the last stage with the bending machine. Okay, let's see. This is a multi-function laser welding machine. It can do cleaning, cutting, straight cutting, and some welding. Welding from 1 millimeter to 6 or 8 mm steel and aluminum sheet with auto wire feeder and different wires. And also, it has standard 10 meters of cable length and welding head. Control system supports more than 19 languages, including English, Arabic, Spanish, Portuguese, Russian, Turkish. Okay. Also, it has a small dimension, and also when it's doing welding, to move around because it has wheels underneath, and also induction of the chiller and the laser set inside. Also, it has different welding nozzles for single wire feeding and double wire feeding, and also different thickness and different diameter of the wires and the materials. Okay, so from cutting over there and bending over here, lastly the welding. These three critical metal fabricating steps actually constitute most of our metal fabrication customers. Let's see a typical example. For example, you want to bend an electrical cabinet, like for our laser cutting machine or any electrical metal box before painting. You need to buy these three machines together. for galvanized steel or stainless steel, carbon steel. After cutting with oxygen, nitrogen air compress and weld, you go to the bending step, then go to the welding. Then you can see the form of the final piece, and then you can do the tinting, which is the final product. Also, remember for the press brake bending machine, normally you need to put the hydraulic grade 46 oil on top after you receive the machine. Okay? This also is the lubrication oil for the guide rail and the salute and the rackless, accurate for the laser cutting machine. Okay? And now I want to show you around. You see, this is a small CO2 laser cutting and engraving machine for some non-metallic materials, engraving and cutting like acrylic, plywood, and MDF. We have many sizes to the option, like this box type, like 1.3 by 2.5 meters, and also open type, like 4 feet by 8 feet, 1.3 by 2.5 meters, working area. Okay? And now let's go around to walking around to show you our 10,000 square meters workshop until we go to the stand and our welding machine area. Then we will finalize everything. Okay? There are many stuff around, like our spare parts and also some voltage regulator or transformer or exhaust fan in different areas. And that is our stuff. Like this model, I said for some European country customer, North American customer like US and Canada, they prefer this protective glass window, protective car with exchange table, which is more cost effective and local environmental friendly and restricted by the requirement of their local government. And also, they have cameras and the control system is designed like this. And also the acrylic protective window, which can protect the operator safety and prevent any accident to happen. Okay. Also, yes, like this, you can see this is the second camera for monitoring the loading situation. That camera in front is for monitoring the cutting situation. Okay. Let's go to the welding area. I will show you before we finalize. Okay. This is a quality inspection station, okay, for all the machinery we sell. Okay. These are the welding and the cleaning machine area. As you can see, there are more than 50 sets of the laser welding machine and cleaning machine units. Okay. Now from here, I think we can review. I have introduced the cutting, bending, and welding machine for the 10,000 square meters workshop. And also here you can see the pipe bending machine. For some people, they only cut pipe, tube, or profile, or channel at beams. We can choose this percentage tube cutting machine for different chunk diameters, 2 chunk or 3 chunk, etc. for different loading and unloading lathes. Okay. Finally, I want to say something. For this competitive market of the laser cutting machine, with our online and offline support, normally for most of our customers, they had a plasma and CNC laser cutting machine experience. That's why for most of the single table laser cutting machine, we just give them manual documents and videos for instruction, which is enough. Unless they have less experience, we can send our technician to fly to them to do the on-site installation and training. But I will advise, before the purchase order and delivery, just prepare enough spare parts like the cutting nozzle and the protective lens, at least 2 or 3 years. So you can guarantee 3 years or 2 years without any major problem, because the laser cutting machine, after all, is a mature technology. If you want to prepare more spare parts, apart from this cutting consumables, I will recommend some laser cutting head or some spare parts for maintaining the air compressor. Otherwise, there won't be bigger or major issues or alarm. Because from my previous experience with our engineer, this upsell solution is already enough. Okay, so I hope we can keep in touch and close as many deals as possible. If you inquire anything to DXTECH Laser, to me, Alan, and my colleague Fia, and my other colleagues, we are welcome and open for more discuss. Thank you so much and stay blessed. I will see you and introduce you always next time. Bye bye.